Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we got 3 projects. One is the fixture table for welding. The other is going to be threading some bolts. And thirdly, I need to modify the bolts to hold down my clamp on my mill. First up is my welding table. I don't have any way to attach my strap down clamps to the welding table to hold parts in place. So we're going to drill holes for 5/16 bolts so I can use my small strap down clamps. I'm using a size F drill bit. On to the next hole. Rinse and repeat. This is exactly what I wanted. Let's move on to the next project. Alright guys, I got a quick project here. I have these galvanized bolts, and because of the galvanization, these are 5/16. The nut won't go on it. So what I did was I took this one over to the lathe and just ran the die down it, and now the nut fits on it. I had quite a few of these, and this is what I use for my hold down clamps, the small ones. See here? So let's head to the lathe. I'll show you how I did these. Quick little project. Alright, it was just that easy, but it was something I needed to get done, something I've been putting off. So now I can have more bolts for my small strap clamps. Alright guys, this bolt holds down my vise on the mill, but the problem with it is it's just a little bit too big. You have to really fight it into the T-slots. I measured the T-slot at 0.613. This measured at 0.640. If we do the math, it comes out to be 27 thousandths over. So what we're going to do is we're going to head to the lathe and we're just going to turn down 27 thousandths. I'll have to take a measurement of how much, and that way it'll slide in and out, because it's a pain in the neck when I have to remove the vise getting those out. Let's head to the lathe. I forgot to hit record. I just used my turning tool to get this far. Now let's use the parting tool. Okay guys, there you have it. Look, slides in there perfect. Here's the other one. Here you go.